Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Domino's Margherita pizza at home. First, let's prepare our delicious dough. Combine 1 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Then, mix in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead this mixture for about 8 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Then let it rise in a warm place for 60 minutes. Next, we'll create the vibrant sauce and prepare our cheese. Blend 1 28-ounce can of high-quality crushed sMargherita tomatoes with 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh basil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper for a simple, fresh flavor. For the cheese, prepare 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella, either thinly sliced or torn into small, even pieces, ensuring it melts beautifully. Now let's assemble and bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, placing a pizza stone or baking steel inside for optimal crispness. Gently stretch your risen dough into a 12-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Spread about 1/2 cup of your delicious tomato sauce, then evenly distribute the fresh mozzarella and a few fresh basil leaves. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is wonderfully bubbly. Finally, for those perfect finishing touches, once your pizza is out of the oven, drizzle a small amount of high-quality extra virgin olive oil over the hot surface. This enhances the flavors. Garnish with a few more fresh basil leaves for a burst of aroma and color. Allow the pizza to cool for just 2 to 3 minutes before slicing into 8 generous pieces. Enjoy your incredible homemade margherita pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.